Characters like Mickey Mouse, Tweety, Simpson would not have existed if animation would not have been there. Movies like Bahubali, Frozen, Jungle Book would have been different from what they are today. Animation is the method of manipulating pictures to appear as moving images, and the experts who do this art are called animators. Because we are talking of sheer creativity, any stream students can do the course. After the successful completion of the animation degree, a student can opt to work as a cleanup artist, a modeler, compositor, keyframe animator, background artist, or digital ink and paint artist. To own up these roles, the candidate needs to be creative with an artistic bent of mind, with imaginative skills, know the art of sketching and drawing, have patience, discipline, and dedication along with good communication skills. Knowing the anatomy and body movement of birds, animals, and humans is another very important skill needed for becoming an animator. Services of an animator are required in the field of filmmaking, advertisement, designing industry, gaming industry, print media, publishing firms, and so on. The major colleges offering a 3-year BSc in animation include National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, Industrial Design Center of IIT Bombay, Birla Institute of Technology, Noida, Maya Academy of Advanced Cinematics in various locations of the country, Ferguson College, Pune, MIT Institute of Design, Pune, Pearl Academy, New Delhi, Chandigarh University, UPES, Dehradun. Not only Indian colleges, a few prominent global universities also offer a degree in animation. Royal College of Art, UK, California Institute of Art, USA, and so on. List of colleges is very long. For further details about the college, please get in touch with the team of Wonder School. Thank you.